Next is conductance C. It is represented by the letter C. Conductance is a measure of the ease of flow of current through a conductor. It is defined as the reciprocal of the resistance of a conductor. It is represented by the letter C. Mathematically, C is equal to 1 by R, where R is the resistance of the conductor. Unit of conductance. The unit of conductance is per ohm, which is also written as per omega, or it is also known as mho. Specific conductivity or specific conductance or conductivity. Now, the reciprocal of the specific resistance or resistivity is called specific conductivity or conductivity or specific conductance. All this term you should know. There are three terms are used. Therefore, it is represented by the Greek letter kappa, that is small k, but it is pronounced as kappa. Thus, k is equal to 1 by rho. Or an alternate definition of specific conductivity can be obtained as follows. This is actually specific conductivity, that is kappa is equal to 1 by rho, because we already studied what is rho. Therefore, in that terms we can derive another equation for kappa. Rho is equal to R into A by L. That is, from this, substituting the value of rho in the equation, we can get the value that kappa is equal to 1 by RA by L, or kappa is equal to L by R into A, or kappa is equal to 1 by R into L by A. We already know that 1 by R is equal to C. Therefore, kappa is equal to C into L by A. If L is equal to 1 centimeter and A is equal to 1 centimeter square, kappa is equal to C. This equation you should derive by yourself and find out whether you are getting the correct answer. Hence, specific conductivity may be defined as the conductance of the conductor whose length is 1 centimeter and area of cross section is equal to 1 centimeter square. 1 centimeter square. A conductor of length 1 centimeter and having an area of cross section 1 centimeter square will have the volume of 1 centimeter cubed. Therefore, if an electrolytic solution is taken between the two electrodes having an area of cross section equal to 1 centimeter square separated by a distance 1 centimeter, the volume of the solution 1 centimeter cubed, the conductance of the solution will be equal to the specific conductivity of the solution. That means in terms of solution, how will you determine the specific conductivity? Hence, for an electrolyte solution, specific conductivity may be defined as the conductance of 1 centimeter cubed of the solution. The unit of specific conductivity are per ohm per centimeter. That is the unit for it.